Hello people, today we're going to be reacting to What EAS Alarms 8. Uzbekistan has a Romania, what's wrong with you? What's good? Okay, what is going on? Gonna go stretch them weird. Stop. An ice cream cone? Really, Thailand? Okay, what the hell is going on? No beeps. What the hell? What did you do? What? What's wrong with your mouse, Singapore? Pakistan. Okay. Let's do 7. Okay. What are you? What are you? Argentina. Oh God. Oh God. Oh help. Okay. Argentina. Colombia, what are you doing? Why is Thailand in the background? What? I don't understand what's going on here. I want more so arms. This is crazy. And what's going on with your arms, Zambia? Well, what the hell, Tuvalu? What are you doing? Why do you have that? Oh, it's from clip. Okay. This is the question. Is this an actual game? Or is this just a made-up thing? So many questions. It's so cool. So weird. He's like, oh God, frick. Let me just sleep for 10 more minutes. What the hell? Okay. I don't know what you're doing. Yeah, but what? Okay. What's this? Okay. My cat. Okay. Let's do this. Nope, not. What the hell? Okay, it's a different one. Argentina, what is that? Oh God, Ecuador. What is this? What? What is that? What is that? What is that, bro? What the fuck? Aw, that's so cute. Aw, it's adorable. That is not even Senegal. No, that's not Senegal. That's a different flag. What? Where's Marlene? 5. Tuvalu, are you okay, bro? Jesus. What the fuck is that kind of a car? He said, what the fuck? Okay. What's it doing? Okay. Pakistan. That's not really on. Okay. 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 No, 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 no. Okay, sorry. Okay. What the hell? What is that language? I don't know. Okay, stop waving your arms around, you frick. Okay. Okay, bye.